The Fisherman and His Wife Story. Once upon a time, there lived a humble fisherman and his wife in a small cottage by the sea. The fisherman spent his days casting his net into the water, catching just enough fish to feed them both. The fisherman loved his wife so much, but his wife always remained unhappy and dissatisfied. She always said,
"I want a big house and a luxurious life."
One day, as the fisherman pulled up his net, he caught a shimmering golden fish. To his astonishment, the fish spoke.
Oh, kind fisherman, please spare my life.
What is this? Can you speak?
I am no ordinary fish, but a magical one. If you let me go, I will grant you any wish you desire.
The fisherman was a kind-hearted man. He replied,
I need nothing, little fish. Go back to the sea and live your life.
When the fisherman returned home, he told his wife about the magical fish. She scolded him.
Why didn't you ask for something? We live in this shabby hut. Go back and ask the fish for a nice house.
Reluctantly, the fisherman returned to the sea and called out.
Oh, magical fish, please hear my plea.
The golden fish surfaced and asked,
What does your heart desire?
My wife wishes for a nice house.
Go home and your wish will be granted.
When the fisherman returned, the old hut was gone, replaced by a cozy house. His wife was sitting on the comfortable couch and was very delighted, but soon grew dissatisfied.
This house is too small. Go back and ask the fish for a mansion.
The fisherman, though unhappy, obeyed and called the fish again.
Oh, magical fish, please hear my plea. My wife wishes for a grand mansion.
Go home, it is done.
Sure enough, the fisherman returned to find a grand mansion. He and his wife lived in a mansion for some days peacefully, but his wife's greed knew no bounds.
Why stop here? Go back and tell the fish, I want to be a queen.
The fisherman was horrified, but went back to the sea. The waters had turned darker. He called out to the fish, trembling.
Oh, magical fish, please hear my request. My wife wishes to be a queen.
The fish saw it and said,
Go home, it is done.
He returned home and found his wife was now the queen, ruling from a golden throne. But even this wasn't enough. After a few months, she declared,
I want to rule the heavens and the seas. Tell the fish I wish to be like a god.
The fisherman, now extremely terrified, returned to the stormy sea. He called out, and the fish appeared. Its golden scales were dull.
My wife, she wishes to be like God.
The fish said nothing but disappeared beneath the waves. When the fisherman returned home, the grand mansion and throne were gone. He found his wife back in their old broken-down hut. She was crying for her greed, but now it was too late. The fisherman's wife learned her lesson. From that day forward, the fisherman and his wife lived humbly, learning that greed brings nothing but sorrow.
From this story, we learn that greed is a curse, and happiness isn't about having everything, but being grateful for what you have.
Hey everyone, did you enjoy the story? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting tales.